So today guys, I'm on a bit of a mission of mercy, and that is to try and repair my friend's son's electric car. So a bit of a weird challenge, but you know what? COVID, lockdown, I'm up for it. So let's get into it. What's up YouTube, Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. And if you haven't stopped by here before, please be sure to click on the subscribe button, click on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So as I said guys, today I'm on a little bit of a mission of mercy. I'm gonna get out the house, well, into the garage. I'm going to try and have a look at this broken electronic car. It's just a kid's toy, but you know, kind of means a lot to them. And yeah, let's see if we can get this car back on the road. So let's get to it. So guys, mission complete. Fixed the car, got them back on the road. I feel like the AA, or maybe not. But anyway, you know, it was a challenge. It was a bit of fun. Nice to see, as you can see in the video, that kids are happy and back in the car, back behind the wheel, although it did look a little bit scary, but all's well that ends well. So guys, thanks ever so much for watching. Yeah, if you've got any comments, questions, or anything like that, which I can't imagine for 1 minute you will have, but if you do, leave them in the comments section below. Guys, I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.